everybody, my name is Rhody. Thank you for connecting with us. Today I am showing you a recipe with green peppers that is so good and amazing that I'm pretty sure that you would like to make it right away. So the first step is to clean our peppers perfectly. I have 2.5 liters of water, fresh water. I'm gonna add some baking soda and vinegar because that's the best way to wash your vegetables. Let's gonna wash this really well so we can discard all this water with a baking soda. Once you have your peppers, your green peppers, just like these ones that are pretty clean, now we're gonna take off the top of the pepper and we're gonna take out the seeds. And if you like you're growing your own vegetables, these seeds, you can keep them, put them in a place with sun, a sunny place, and then you can storage them until the next gardening season. Once you have your green peppers just clean like these ones, without seeds, without veins, we're gonna set them aside until the moment we're gonna use them. Now we're gonna work with 2 chicken breasts just like these ones. These are defrost. I'm just gonna take off all the grease and all particles that I don't like. So we're gonna cut them in cubes, little ones, not too little, not too big. I'll show you how you should make it. So this is pretty much the size we're looking for. So now we're gonna season this chicken breast. To season this chicken breast, I have 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of red achiote seasoning, and then I have a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. This is black pepper, but you can use cayenne pepper if you like, or white pepper as well. And if you also like spicy, you can add chili pepper to this. This is to taste. Now we're gonna make sure that all the chicken is well seasoned, just like this. This color is because of the achiote. I will leave you the link in the description below so you can get this achiote that I'm using. It is called Sazon, but there are other brands, many brands of this seasoning that is perfect for this chicken. In a very hot pan, this is medium high temperature, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. This one is extra virgin and sunflower oil. You can use any other oil of your preference. I'm gonna add maybe 2 tablespoons. And basically what I'm gonna do is to fry here the chicken or cook it very well. Once the chicken is completely cooked, we're gonna add 1 cup of green peas. These are different than the green peas. They take a little bit longer to cook, but don't worry about it because it's gonna be cooked with rice. We're gonna add now 2 cups of rice. This is completely clean already. This is the long grain rice, as you can see. And let's move everything. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of achiote. Is this one that I have here. As you can see, it will give it a little bit more of color. And I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. Make sure that the rice is well combined with the chicken and the green peas, as you can see. At this point, I'm gonna taste the salt. If it's needed, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, I have my parsley. This one I prepare myself. So let me know in the comments below if you want to get to know how to do your own parsley at home, how to grow it yourself and how to use it in your recipes. You want to keep the heat in medium high until the rice is completely dried. All this liquid will be absorbed by the rice. And after that, you can put the lid on. Once the rice is completely dry, we're gonna toss it a little bit just to take it off the edges, just like this. And we're gonna put the lid on. I love using parchment paper. This will promote all the vapor to steam and just to cook the rice thoroughly. We're gonna let it to cook in slow heat for at least 25 minutes. Now I have plantains. These are really dark, as you can see. Many times when we buy the yellow plantains, these are not bananas, these are plantains. Specifically, if you want to see a video showing you the difference between bananas and plantains, I can give you that video. So these ones are yellow plantains that you can see. They are almost black completely, but they are good inside. You just want to peel them just like this. So as you can see, they need to be cooked. And if it has a little brown spot, just take it away. This is pretty much how it looks. And I'm gonna do exactly the same with the second one. These plantains are super sweet. We're gonna cut them in half, and then we're gonna do some cubes, not too small, but not too big either. So I'm gonna cut them just like this. Pretty much like these ones are perfect. So let's do the same for all the plantains, okay? I love using the yellow plantains. These yellow plantains, they add really nice flavor to any dish that you prepare. So get ready for an explosion of flavor in your mouth. We're gonna fry these plantains. As you can see them right now, they are completely raw. So what we're gonna do is to fry them until golden brown, and we're gonna set them aside until the moment we're gonna use them for this recipe. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna fry the plantains. We're gonna try to separate them. We're gonna let them cook until they are golden brown. As you can see, the fried plantains are really nice. This golden brown color is what we're looking for. I'm gonna take them out of the oil to a paper towel to eliminate all the excess oil. They are so good, so sweet. They are perfect for this recipe. I'm gonna set them aside until the moment I'm gonna use it for the next step. Look at this, you guys. This is my harvest, my beautiful harvest, my tomato harvest for this season. This is amazing, you guys. I grew these tomatoes myself, and if you want me to show you how to grow your own vegetables at home, let me know in the comments below. I will be so happy to show you my tips and all my secrets how to grow these beautiful tomatoes. Look at this, you guys. These tomatoes are just perfect, so good. They're heirlooms. These are breakfast tomatoes. I have the ponderosa pink tomatoes as well. For this recipe, I'm gonna use these ones specifically. They are red striped tomatoes. They are perfect for a sauce. I want to make a red tomato sauce for the recipe that I'm preparing right now. So if you want me to show you many tips how to make your own sauce, follow me to the kitchen, because I'm going to show you step by step how to make the best tomato sauce. I'm going to use 4 garlic cloves and also half of an onion for my sauce. To make the sauce, I have 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add my tomatoes, the onion, and the garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I'm gonna let it to steam until they are completely cooked. Once the tomatoes are really soft, just like this, also the onions and the garlic, so we're gonna put all this in a blender, and we're gonna blend everything to make the sauce. I have some chicken bouillon here, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And I'm gonna add this seasoning to my sauce. So the rice is completely ready, as you can see. Now we're gonna stuff the peppers with the chicken rice. This is so yummy, you guys. This rice is so good. I love the smell. So get ready, because this recipe is gonna be the best chicken rice recipe you've ever tried. This is a really easy recipe, you guys. It's perfect for lunch or dinner. I'm pretty sure that everybody at home will love this recipe. So you can do it in your daily basis or for a special occasion. So be motivated to make it, because it's really, really good. So at this point, I'm gonna add the fried plantains just like this to each and every one of them. I'm going to add a little bit of the sauce on top just before adding cheese. These flavors are amazing, you guys. They really are. Now let's take this to the oven for at least 25 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. And this is how it looks, this beautiful recipe, you guys. This is so delicious. I cannot wait to try these peppers because they are so good and so yummy. I hope you like this recipe. Please give us a like and share this video with someone that would like to make it. See you next time. God bless you. Bye-bye.